Hello. Hello. All right. All right. I have animation reports that the things that I did that were meant to fix problems did not fix the problem. Okay. Let's update the game. May take a minute. People are working on the game. Okay. Conflict, yeah, whatever. We don't care about those. Okay. So let's build the game and run the game. I probably will get banned from Twitch someday. Don't worry about that. Have to make my own streaming platform. Okay. Running with the warrior at the bottom of the stack. Whoops. I need a better level. I need more space, I mean. Get rid of these. Put those in there. Give me some space to run around, please. All right. So the thief is sort of going the wrong way. Now she's going the right way. All right, let's just break on that and see what it does. Actually, let's even simplify this. Do we have a built-in recorder animated GIF? No, we don't have that at this time. Are we like breaking somewhere? What's going on? Okay. I do not even want the wizard in the stack. I just want the thief in the stack, I think. Get rid of this block so I don't have to deal with it every time. Okay. Angle of involuntary movement. Okay. Thief. Okay, it's the right thief. Do we have T? No. Set next to... Oh, fuck you. The one that I'm in. God damn it, dude. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's failing every frame, so... Okay. For every transaction, for every move, what is the move type? Oh, God damn it. I need to fix this. I'm getting bitten in the ass by the fact that I can't see local variables in code view for some reason. Let's try the LLVM version, see if that helps. I really need to fix that. I have it on my piece of paper. Is it optimized out? No, it's just our debug information thing is not... for some reason, it used to work, and then I changed some things and I broke it. Basically, is what happened. We don't really have a good test of what's in the debug info. I mean, we sort of have some, but they're not... I haven't audited them, and they're not run normally, so I need to look at them and see if they're reasonable. Okay, LLVM backend comes through on this and does give us the right things, which is great. So this is a controlled proc. This is the guy underneath. Whoa, what? What? Hold on here. Why don't I have support? It says support. maybe this is before we run support. Could well be. Single moves 1. So we're adding the support move, but we haven't done it yet. So we're sending the message before oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. Okay. That is definitely an issue. Okay. Still not working right. Okay, the double move, same transaction, actually, okay, I see what was going on. So this part, I had this check already, and I did that before, and I tried to put the message in the before, and that's not good. So this is now just a debug check, and then with this one, well, it's a good question that maybe we want to factor this out, but yeah, okay. Okay. Now it still doesn't work, so we're going to have to debug that. Like she's tilting in an inconsistent direction. All right. What's the coordinate system? 11, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so it's what you would expect. Okay, here we go. Boom. Are we going to detect it this time? Oh, also, I'm not checking the entity ID there, by the way. Sir. So that's automatically correct, incorrect. But I guess we returned true anyway. We did. Okay. So delta is -1, 0. That is correct. We were walking left on the grid. Theta of that move, guys, I did tau over 360 instead of 360 divided by tau. I'm a dumb butt. I am a dumb butt. I is a dumb butt, and I is a butt who's dumb. I've got a butt, and I'm really dumb. Okay. Oh yeah, let's do the entity ID thing. I mean, my singing was about as good as the singing in the Sex Pistols song. Hey, she's going the right way. Well, wait, hold on. So here she's kind of sloshing backward. Here she's sloshing backward. Here. Yeah, okay. Seems to be working. Except it's a little weird when we go into a big run that's just off a corner, but okay, we'll bring the wizard back in. We'll try wizard without someone on top. Seems plausible. Okay, we're going to try committing this. Fix the new animation variable thing. Okay, I will go to the bug report. Let's get rid of Steam for now. We might play some more Dyson Sphere tonight. Where's my... Did I close my main web browser? I did. I had tabs. There we go. Resolve. Yep, there were some mistakes. Should be better now. Thanks for the repro case. Resolved. Okay. I had some other bug along the same lines. Okay. Let's take a look at that. So basically, I added some new variables and things to the animation system to help solve some problems. And I don't actually know that they work, right, when I implement them. In fact, often they won't work. And so, but the thing is, because I'm not building the animations, it's not very easy for me to have a reasonable test case. Is this done with IK? No. We may do some IK fix-up kind of stuff later, but don't do tau over 360 if you want to succeed in the game industry. No, you should do tau over 360 sometimes. Just not that time, okay? You got to know when to do it one way and when to do it the other way. Don't do pi over 180. No, we don't do pi over 180 here in this house. Okay. What the frick am I doing? I guess I just want to see queries to time percent. Let's do that because that's this other variable, time percent. Let's just see what that looks like. Oh, did I do LLVM build? Yeah, I did. Let's do it again just to make sure. Who uses this variable? Nobody? Carry base. Oh. That 50% is probably screwing it up. But first we have to get to active carrying move forward to carry right. What? Whoops. Active carrying move forward to carry. Why can't I ever get this to query? Oh, probably because did the graph not fucking load because of that percent? We didn't complain. Move forward to carry right. That's what's happening. That's what the guy on the bottom is playing that. Oh, this is like, he has to stop carrying. Or I could just move the time percent first. There we go. So the deal is these if statements that we're looking at, they evaluate in order. And if these fail, then it won't ever query this one. And the is carrying equals false means that like you started carrying but then scraped someone off or whatever. Okay. Percent is 0. Current time is channel dot current time. There. Okay. Well, later frame 003, 0036. So we're at like around 10% now. Animation duration is 3.46. Current time is 0.34 or something. Percent is 9, almost 10, which is correct. So it might be the comparison because he put percent. It's an S, it's a float. Wait. So VI is going to be 9 point something. CI is going to be 0.5. Well, okay. Let's I think I can manufacture a case. Like I think if we just do this, I think we do the same thing where I'm marked as carrying. No. Okay. Okay. So we go active carrying to active if time is greater than 50%. So we want to look for the active carrying to active. So I guess it's that it goes too soon. So he wants more time there. Now I think if we just say this, then it works. maybe. Yeah. You see the percent on the right-hand side. Wait. It should go now. Why isn't it going now? Oh, because we're erroring. Right. Okay. We'll do it this way. So let me just... So the deal is I was casting up to the nearest integer because I expected it to go between 0 and 100, but we have this percent sign syntax, which goes from 0 to 1. So like if I just do this... Am I fixing cyberpunk as a humanitarian act? I wish. I wish. Okay. Actually, I don't wish. So there's reasons. Wait, why am I running the compiler Visual Studio? Stop. There's reasons why I don't work for a AAA game company. I've tried it. Didn't enjoy it. Didn't enjoy it. Now my problem is this dude's debug thing is like... Like, what is going on? Percent is 0.73. We're not getting errors. Float. VI 0.73 CI. If C is scale factor. Oh God. Okay. Haha, this is what happens when I do things 2 years ago. So percent already multiplies by the animation duration. So literally what we should do is just have this thing called time. And just do this. Oh, we have to change the graph file. Can't see because the wizard's on top. God damn it. I think it's not working, but I can't tell because I don't have smart boxes that makes the wizard go. Let's see here. If only I used open source GraphViz to draw these boxes. 20, 30, 40. What the hell, bro? Why can't I get this right? Okay. Wait, why is VI 0? .005? Did we just literally change state when I alt-tabbed out? Active carrying move forward to idle right. Is that what we're supposed to do? No. Okay. I think that might be this working because it happens at exactly 50%. It ends up in a different state, but that might be because that state transitions to another state. Yeah. So I think that's it working. Okay. Okay. Let's not screw up his stuff. Okay, I will respond to the bug. I will say resolve. The deal is I forgot how percent works when I did this. You don't need two time variables after all. So now there is just one called time. Now if you say time varies percent should just work, but you can. Okay. We'll see about that. Those are the high priority things that I had on animation. I think the next thing to do is do some just more simpler stuff. Like, for example, although, I don't know, I was going to say maybe make it so that if a guy goes under here, he crouches, but he should crouch in this case for sure. In the case of where there's a block, I don't know. But like when there's a dude over him, he should crouch. We could test with a dude and a block. Actually, let's put these here. Boop. So he should duck under that. He should duck under that. The reason why I'm saying he shouldn't necessarily duck under this is because like this is a placeholder like collision block. And in a lot of levels, we might author the art to not fill the bottom just so we don't have to have characters awkwardly crouching all the time. You know, so that might be a case by case. We might need to put a duck under this marker or a don't duck under this marker. I don't know how that's going to work. But if there's a gameplay object in the square, he's got to duck under it. If you'll do more games where animations are more relevant, would you begin to consider it more in editor, animation editor? Maybe. I mean, the thing is, you want to do an in-game animation editor, ideally, if you're providing features that the animation system doesn't have. Because, like, why re-implement an animation editor that already exists, that has tons of years put into it? I mean, most of those years not well, but you know. So like one reason you might want to have an in-game animation editor is just like, oh, there's lots of markup in the game about how the character should react to the environment around them or whatever, right? Or there's lots of IK in the game and you want to see how it looks with all the IK. Like that kind of thing. Yes. But if it's just like, oh, we're just doing what we would do in Maya, but in the game, if I have if, oh, it doesn't, oh, that's probably why that wasn't working. Anyway. What do I think about the C# programming language? I don't. Yeah, what this language is really supposed to be is at some point we would do some kind of boxes and lines blueprint style control system, but we didn't want to do the UI for it yet. And also I was like, look, if we don't know what features we're going to want to have, why, like, that's kind of a bad idea. Like if you don't even know what you're going to want to do. So, I said, look, our approach for this game is going to be to do the text format, and then, next game or whatever, we'll actually do graphics for it. Needs if before is carrying. Like, guys, this is not, I'm not editing this file, okay? Oh, here, I see. I inserted the if in the wrong place. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. I'm not really editing this file. I didn't check it in. But yeah, it's good to avoid syntax errors. There we go. See, it already told us about the error. Okay, so I want this guy to duck under stuff. I don't remember how that happens. All right. Okay, this is gross. Is it find at position? Okay. Above is find at position. Okay. Great. Didn't work, I guess, or maybe it. Oh, it worked there. Oh. Right. If there's a grate also, he should walk under a grate. Even if there's no entity. If is fence between. Okay. I really should name that for everybody. All right. Okay. He's ducking under. He's ducking under. Now he's stretching. That takes a little long to happen, but it's fine. So even if there's no gameplay object, he should duck under that. Yeah. Now, of course, he runs into it first and then ducks, but we'll fix that later. He also doesn't quite duck low enough. So with the entity above, we can check the grate, but we also have to check like wizard or whatever, because there are ways that you could be levitating in this game, right? So here's an example of levitating. Will that start the beams? No. Why not? Why doesn't that start the beams? That is the only slot. Do beams frickin' work? Is there something weird about this level? There might be something weird. Oh, that gem might have been like, let's see. Anyway, gem's on the slot. And we're going to get a beam. And that's going to be a double beam. And there's going to be a character in the actually we'll make it a Drago. What the fuck? Okay, guys, I have another bug. to fix. Congratulations, me. Why is it only 10 FPS? Hello, excuse me, sir. Did you realize your game only runs at 10 FPS and I am smarter than you because I noticed this? Okay, this is working, so maybe it's like... Excuse me, sir. Okay, so that actually works, but all right. So it might just be... I'm very confused. So, okay, I'm not having double beam effect. Still not. Okay, so it's really, it really is that it's not doing it. All right. So it's probably been broken for a while if there's not a room or something. So the slot is definitely powered. You can see it light up even though the lighting is a little dim since we changed the rendering. Like you can see the little things on the outside and you can see it flashing. See this? That means room is powered, I guess. We could fix that at some point. Anyway. Evaluate all light power states. Where is that? Power. Okay. Let's continue off that. Push it on. There we go. Run to cursor. Slot. Single room slot. Screen 0. Light screen 0. Should power true. Okay. It thinks it's powered already. What? What? Light powered. Should power. What? What do you mean? What do you mean should power false? Now should power is false. Okay, I should have investigated that further. Light screen is 0. Wait, why is ruined set? For some reason, why are you ruined? Are you 9 Inch Nails fans? Wait, we took out ruining. I'm confused. This is bad. I guess we didn't take that out, but how did it get set to true for everybody? That's making me worry. If lights are reading as ruined, well, that could be like a serialization bug or something. Okay, we're actually not going to change this yet. Okay. Air skating. Let's try that. Level. Wait. Why is this working now? What? ID did not change anything. How would putting an upper version limit? What? Okay, look, he's ducking under the thing. Could it be that the editor's saving things badly? No, because these haven't been saved in a long time. I don't know. Did I inadvertently change something else? Diff later. It doesn't even think there are any changes. So how did we get ruined equals true? Consistently. Like the level isn't edited either. Oh wait. We're on Bardstone test. We're just going to revert all the things that we did there. Oh, maybe somebody set them as ruined in the, I don't know, in the palette level. We'll check that. Oh, okay. So now we reverted this, but SVN doesn't delete your local files, which is why that's still there. See unversioned items. There we go. All right, so now we're back here. Okay, so we opened this. I grabbed a thing and a thing and a thing. Oh, no. That's the problem. They're just set to ruined on Danger Room. And I copied my thing from Danger Room, right? So like this will work. Okay, I just wanted to make sure there wasn't a technical emergency, right? So that works fine. The light is beaming. Everybody's happy. If I load Danger Room and copy one from there, these are all going to be ruined. Maybe because they were moved under the ocean at some point and played, I don't know. But this particular level, or maybe somebody just wanted to turn off the lights. Okay, no problem. Emergency solved. All right, so now we're going to go, it's not an emergency. It's just when you're building a compiler and you can have like compiler level bugs. Who knows what's going on? So ruined, we took out that feature. Lights used to short out. These beam projectors used to short out when you drop them in water, and that is no longer the case. So it's been like vaguely on my list to remove this ruined thing, but it hasn't been very high priority because it like wasn't hurting anything. All right, Uh-oh. Why did I do that? Hold on. This should still be version 4 to 6. Now I'm sad for different reasons. Like, what? Like, what version number is this? Like, putting a 4 to 6 shouldn't change anything. Nine? What? What are we doing with a version 9? What? How'd we get that? How'd we get a version 9? Did I hose this at some point? Did I make a mistake? That might be why I didn't remove this before, is maybe I tried it and I was like, wait, something's not working. But wait, this is in the undo information. Which would be recent. Now it, Okay, anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out for a second. I'm going to make this a different problem because I want to check in the other things independently. Wait, what? Why does this have anything to do with anything? Well, I think we triggered a bug. This is a bug that I shall have to investigate. But we're not going to let it harsh our mellow on anything else. Actually, okay, I already checked in everything that we were doing. So all that's there is this ruined thing. Oh, this part. That, I'm just going to gamble that that cannot possibly be the problem in any way. So we're going to put that there. I'm going to go visit someone. I may come on later tonight and do some more programming and or do some Dyson Sphere. I am writing on the list crash involving unserialized. You know, there are one or two just tiny bugs that don't seem to happen very often, but that have been burning people, and that might be one of them. It might have come up. So we're going to take a look at that. Whoever edits an entity sets the version number. You're always supposed to just manually increment it. All right. Thanks everyone for coming by. Not a super long stream tonight, but I just wanted to do a couple little bug fixes on the video game. Let's see where we could send people in the science and technology realm. How to build a PC. How come there are so few programmers in the world? And how come so many of them make chatbots? Or Twitch plays. Blazor game.
Down here, so if we have hit the bottom, then we're actually not going to do this. But instead, what we're going to do is we're going to say...
Let's do this. You can learn how to make 6 figures in game development. Thanks, everybody.
Game over. Stupid.
See you later.
Yeah.
I may be back later on.